Rita always felt like she was not enough. Every time she opened social media, she saw her friends achieving big things. Some were getting top marks in school, others were learning new skills, and even her younger cousins seemed so confident and happy. She wanted to be like them, so she tried copying what they did. She joined new classes, spent hours studying, and even tried hobbies she didn't enjoy. But nothing made her feel better. Instead, she felt more stressed and tired. Her mind was always thinking about others, not herself. She stopped paying attention to her own dreams and what she really liked. Even when she did something small, she didn't feel proud because she kept thinking, "They are better than me." Slowly, she started losing her happiness and motivation. Every day became harder, and she felt trapped in a cycle of comparison and sadness. One day, Rita met her old teacher at school. The teacher noticed that Rita looked sad and tired all the time. He asked her what was wrong, and Rita shared how she always compared herself with others and felt like she was not good enough. The teacher listened carefully and then said, "Rita, you cannot grow by looking at others. You need to focus on yourself first." At first, Rita did not understand. She thought it would be easy to just stop comparing herself, but she realized it was very hard. She decided to try small steps. She started keeping a journal where she wrote her own goals, small achievements, and things she wanted to improve. At night, she would read what she had written and think about her progress. Slowly, she began to notice that she was learning and improving in her own way. She felt a little lighter and happier each day because she was paying attention to herself, not everyone else. Rita started setting small daily goals for herself. She decided not to worry about being perfect or doing what others were doing. Some days she practiced English, other days she tried drawing, and sometimes she worked on managing her time better. She noticed that even small progress made her feel proud. She also started celebrating little achievements, like finishing a chapter in her book or completing a drawing. This gave her confidence and made her feel motivated. Slowly, the habit of comparing herself to others started to fade. Instead of feeling anxious, she began to feel excited about learning and growing at her own pace. Her mind became calmer, and she realized that focusing on herself was helping her more than worrying about what others were doing. After some time, Rita's life changed a lot. She was no longer thinking about what others were doing all the time. She focused on her own goals and worked on improving her skills every day. She felt proud of even small progress and learned to enjoy the journey instead of rushing to be better than anyone else. Her confidence grew and she felt happier in her daily life. Even when she faced mistakes or failures, she didn't get upset like before. She knew it was part of her growth. Rita realized that when she focused on herself, she could achieve more, feel satisfied, and stay positive. Her happiness no longer depended on others, and she finally understood the real meaning of self-focus and personal growth. If you like the story, tell me your own thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more stories and tips to improve yourself every day.